How to enable USB debugging on your Android. This tutorial shows you how to unlock developer options and turn on USB debugging on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device and tap on About Phone. After that, tap on Software Information and find Build Number, then tap on it 7 times until you see a message confirming developer mode has been enabled. From there, go all the way back to the main settings page and scroll to the very bottom and tap on Developer Options. At this point, make sure the toggle at the top is switched on. In the next step, scroll down through the options until you find USB debugging and tap the toggle next to it to turn it on. Following this, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Tap OK to enable it. Finally, USB debugging is now active, and your device is ready to communicate with a PC or other tools that require it. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable USB debugging on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.